In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Sites page headers to make your online presence more unique and tailored to your needs. Let's begin by heading over to your Google site. This is your blank canvas where the magic happens. Once you're on your site, it's time to let your creativity flow as we dive into customizing those page headers. Now, when you're on your Google site, you'll notice there's a section at the top. That's your page header area. It's the first thing visitors will see when they arrive at your site, so it's a great opportunity to make a strong first impression. Simply click on the page header. This action opens up a world of customization options. You might be wondering why customize a page header. Well, headers are not just decorative, they are crucial in setting the tone and theme of your site. A well-designed header can communicate professionalism, creativity, or whatever vibe you're aiming for. Once you've clicked on it, you have the option to upload an image for your header. This could be a logo, a picture that represents your brand, or perhaps an image that sets the theme for the content that will follow. You can choose a photo from your own files or select one from your Google albums. If you prefer a streamlined look without an image, Google Sites offers you various header types that you can opt for. Maybe a simple text header suits your site better. You can change this as well, choosing from text headings that best match the message you want to convey. Remember, the goal is to have your page header align perfectly with the overall look and feel of your site and brand identity. Adding the right image or selecting the right text style should reflect the personality or professional image you're going for. Each choice provides an opportunity to speak to your audience, so choose an option that resonates well with your target demographic. Once you're satisfied with the image or header type you've chosen, take a step back and admire your work. You've successfully customized your Google Sites header. It's a small change with significant impact, and it's bound to create a lasting impression on your visitors. With that, you're all done. Remember, simplicity and cohesion often make the best designs. Thank you for following along with me today as we brought your Google site one step closer to perfection. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital space. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Until next time, keep creating.